Look. Wow. Kilo na natin. Yan. Kilogram. Kilo natin. How many? How many kilo? Point 4.295. Look at that, guys. Look. Oh, bigger than me. Bigger than me. Look. Wow. Huge. Look. Ito na nakukuha natin na salmon. Process na natin. Ano guys, I don't know for how many kilo. Ito na yung lahat na ano natin. Ito yung spare parts. Ito pang bake. Ito. So, ilang buwan na natin yung ano, ulam. Tingnan nyo. Ito yung head, sabaw. Ito gagawin kong bake. Tapos, isala na.